Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can get the API credentials for Authorize.net payment gateway integration. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google and search for Authorize.net developer sign up. So first you will need to create an account on the Authorize.net, and so you will search for the sign up there, and when you click on the link there, then you will see this page. So you have to fill all the details here and then click on the create account, and then it will send you a email on the email which you enter, and from there you can confirm the account. So after that you have to go to this sandbox screen here, and here you have to log in with the account which you created in the first step here. Okay, so you can log in with that account. So it will ask for you a confirming a pin which it will send to your email which you added while getting the sign up. So now you will see this kind of screen after login. So you have to go to the account section here. In the account section guys, you will see this option here, API credential and keys. You can click on that, and here it will show you API login ID. So this is the first thing that you will need in the code part, and the other thing is API key which you need. So you have to click on the new transaction key here, and you can click on submit. So it will again verify. So it will not verify if this is your like first time, so that will not ask for this confirmation. This is because we already had one key generated there, so that's why it is asking for the confirmation here. So now we will verify. So it will provide you a key here, so you can copy that key and then use in your code. So these are the two keys that you will require in the code part. First one is the login ID, and the other will be the transaction key. So this is how you can get the keys for your Authorize.net payment gateway integration. So thank you guys.